What is up, YouTube? This is Kit Trades. All right, that was a little bit of elaborate intro, maybe a little too much, who knows? But anyway, this video is how the heck do I trade US100, US30, NAS100 in the USA? So when I first started trading, it literally took me like 3 days of going through Discord groups because no US regulated broker will let you trade NAS100 or US30 or whatever. So you cannot use US regulated brokers. You have to use international brokers such as Hugo's Way for MetaTrader 4 or Vital Markets for MetaTrader 5. Or you can use a funded account, which is what I recommend because you're not using your own money. And not only are you not using your own money, but also there's no spread. So it's real simple. If you're inside the US and you want to trade US30, NAS100, whatever, your options are Hugo's Way for MetaTrader 4, Vital Markets for MetaTrader 5, and my forex funds for a funded account. Now there's a few other places you can go. I don't really honestly know where because these are the three websites I've used and I have a great experience with all of them. I'm going to put my referral link below if you want to help me out. So happy trading, guys. Good luck and peace out.